today I'm going to show you how to make slime without borax or without glue. And it's very easy, so I'm going to show you. All you need is one ingredient, no, 3 ingredients, actually 4 ingredients. So first thing you're going to need is some shampoo. I know it sounds weird, but you're going to actually need shampoo for this. And shampoo really works because it has to like texture and stuff. Some people don't know how to do it because they don't know what they're talking about. And if you hear the TV in the background, don't mind it. So this one I have this type of shampoo. It's really the same because it comes out the same.
Is it not?
It basically
Is it something in this room? It is in this room. So it's something in this room.
It's basically like that. It's just shampoo.
If I knew what it was,
Some people buy different shampoo with different texture, different color, but
nothing you say is gonna make us look at that blue maker.
and you're gonna need a spoon. And you're gonna need a bowl. Ew. What is in this bowl?
Miss Smite, I need your signature on this thing. What are you kids doing here? Miss Smite, I am so sorry if they snuck in again.
Janet's crazy. She's gonna freeze us into suspended animation.
She'll get up at the store. Freeze the tap. Say what now? Don't anybody move.
Yeah, after cleaning it out, it's pretty dirty. So you're gonna need shampoo, a bowl, a spoon, probably some napkins to clean up stuff, and you're gonna need a freezer. It's very easy, so let's get started.
Can we get more security in here? And fight off the man with a chair.
So first you're going to put your shampoo, the amount that you want for your, just the amount that you want for your, how much slime do you want?
We did it! It's 2 days ago. We're back to before Janet ransacked the RV and took Barry and Nova. But we got our powers back, and the whole point was to get rid of it to protect our friends. The stupid time trap has messed up everything. What were we supposed to do, Shelby? We were trapped in a future lab.
Okay.
Guys, I'm so glad you're okay. Me too. I love being okay.
Yeah, it's pretty liquidy, but then you're just gonna want to stir it up just a little bit, just to stir it, because this is what it's for.
Sammy, I just remembered Janet has the tachyometer. She might remember everything we did. I remember everything you did. Did someone just say that?
So you're just gonna stir it for like about 30 seconds or more to make sure it's like, you know, not that like, yeah. But it's like this now. So keep stirring it until you think it looks kind of thick, and then when you let go of the spoon, it starts falling apart like this. It's hard to show you guys in the video. So then once you think it's kind of thick, this is the part where you're going to put it in the freezer.
Next, she's a top secret spy. She protects the nation, and she still has school in the morning. Casey Undercover is coming up on Disney Channel.
So then you're gonna put it. In the freezer for about an hour. For about an hour, 1 hour. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the freezer about an hour. Yeah, and so this is part 1 of my video, and then part 2 is gonna be the same day, but it's just gonna come out. So this is part 1. Hope you guys had a video. Bye. See you guys later. Bye. Hashtag. Wait. Hashtag slime. Hashtag homemade slime. Hashtag. Normally people do this, have a hashtag, but I'm gonna do this, have a hashtag. Hashtag. Bye! Love you guys. See you guys later.